So here's how you can automatically pick up calls on your iPhone, and let's get started. So at first, open up the main settings app of your phone and then navigate to the accessibility section. So it is this icon with a personally blue background, so you just get there and then just go to the touch section. Then inside of the touch section, entirely at the bottom, we have call audio routing, which is like the main page where you decide where the call should go once you pick it up. But we also have the auto answer calls option. You can enable it, and then once it's turned on, you get to pick the time interval. It can be as short as 3 seconds, but you can bump it up to like 20 seconds even more. And what it means is that this is the amount of time, the amount of seconds the phone is going to wait before it automatically picks up the call. So that's how it works. Obviously, pick and choose the number however you like it. But then whenever you receive a call, it's going to get picked up automatically after this set period of time. So it's pretty simple once you know how it works. So I'm going to wrap up the video. If you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe and hit the thumbs up to let me know about it. And if you have some thoughts or questions, leave them below in the comment section. But that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.